Behad ki Param Mahashanti. We will be talking about different bodies our soul comprised of. A powerful soul has 5 bodies like physical body, that is Sthul Sharir, subtle body, that is Sukshma Sharir, causal body, that is Karan Sharir, great causal body, that is Mahakaran Sharir, and supreme great causal body, that is Param Mahakaran Sharir. First 3 bodies like physical, subtle and causal body are comprised of various combinations of elements on earth, but nobody knows the composition of great causal body and supreme great causal body. So, whether these light bodies of soul like great causal body and supreme great causal body is made of supreme elements, these aspects are explained in detail by Bapuji. Physical body, what we see, is made up of earth and water elements, which are heavier elements. Subtle body exists inside the physical body and it is made up of lighter elements like air and fire. Causal body is mainly ether element, that is Akash Tattva, the lightest of all elements on earth. Ether element or causal body contains all records of cycles of birth and death of soul in this physical world, as well as the records of soul's activity in the subtle worlds like Bhulok, Bhurlok, Swarglok, Mahalok up to Vishnupuri of the solar system. In Vishnupuri, the body of a soul comprises of 50% supreme elements and 50% 3 elements. So when a body of a soul contains supreme elements like supreme air, supreme fire and supreme ether, then that body is called great causal body, that is Mahakaran Sharir. In Shivpuri, the body of a soul contains 100% of supreme elements known as great causal body, that is Mahakaran Sharir, and their physical, subtle and causal bodies do not exist. When soul reaches supreme abode, that is Param Dham of this Brahmand, then soul becomes pure light form, a point of divine light known as original seed state of soul. It requires a lot of practice to reach to a point of light seed state of soul. This is incorporeal form of soul. Then the soul does not associate with any type of body. It is a state when soul becomes a pure light form which is beyond all karmic bonds, beyond all emotions of mind and beyond all qualities of mind. There are 3 states of mind like state of goodness, that is Sattva Tattva, the state of passion, that is Rajo, and state of ignorance, that is Tamo. These 3 are the qualities, that is Gun of the mind. According to the power of soul, the mind acquires respective qualities. In pure light form, the soul goes beyond these 3 qualities of mind as mind itself vanishes in the point of light form. It needs tremendous practice. In physical body of a soul, the mind is in the state of complete ignorance, a dark state of mind, that is Tamo Pradhan. As the soul goes to the higher dimensions of creation, the ignorance or the darkness gradually decreases. In Vishnupuri, the mind gradually changes from complete ignorance to the mode of passion, that is the Rajo Pradhan. But in original seed state of soul, all the 3 states of mind is eliminated. The seed state of Behad ki Atma must be understood clearly. Both great causal body and supreme great causal body are made up of supreme elements. When divine light from soul enters into the great causal body and the supreme great causal body, then these bodies get energized. This happens only in the soul consciousness. We have a video on a journey of soul where it is clearly described how the soul in the subtle world travels from the solar system to galaxy and from galaxy to the universe and so on to the higher dimensions of creation. When a soul realizes soul consciousness on this earth, then the divine light of a soul gradually emerges and the soul becomes thoughtless without any trace of desire. In pure soul consciousness, the divine light emerges and this is incorporeal seed state of soul, and this divine light awakens different light bodies in the soul. So great causal body and supreme great causal body get awakened.
In this way, in soul consciousness, power of divine light from soul transfers gradually to supreme great causal body, then from supreme great causal body to great causal body, and finally power enters into causal body, which keeps all records of all births that soul has undertaken.
This power of divine light deletes all the records of soul in causal body, results in dissolution of physical body and the subtle body. There are many categories of soul based on divine power measured in terms of celestial degree or kala. There are 1 kala soul, 10 kala souls or 100 kala souls, etc. In case of 1 kala soul, the power of divine light in its soul is only 1 kala, whereas in case of 100 kala, the divine light in the soul has a power of 100 kala or the 100 celestial degree, and it creates light bodies of 100 kala. So the soul takes time to emerge its original divine power. In case of Behad ki souls, there are many layers of light bodies over its soul, like causal body, great causal body, supreme great causal body, supreme great causal body, this is called Param Mahakaran Sharir, and so many finer causal bodies, one above the other, till it reaches the original pure divine light form of soul. So there is a difference between light bodies of a soul and an original divine light form of a soul, which is called as seed states of soul. In pure soul consciousness, all light form of subtle bodies emerges, which are normally invisible in the physical form. Records of many life are stored in many layers of subtle body, which gets burned and deleted once power of divine light enters into the different subtle and the causal bodies. In physical world, only physical body is visible and subtle bodies are invisible. The subtle bodies are visible only in the subtle world. Similarly, causal body is visible in the causal world, which is made up of only ether elements, and no air and fire elements are available in the causal world. The soul whose body is made up of only ether elements, they can reside in the world of fire elements, like inside the glowing fire of sun. The family of sun god, including sun god, that is Surya Narayan Dev, reside inside the sun, which is the world of fire elements. The sun god has a body of ether elements, so it cannot be burned by fire, as the ether element is much finer than the fire element. The souls having the supreme ether element inside, they can travel much higher dimensions of creation very easily. Inside the supreme ether elements, there is a supreme fire and supreme air elements also present inside it. When Behad ki soul will be in soul consciousness, then divine light of infinite celestial degree will emerge from their soul, and it gradually flow into various light bodies. So gradually the light bodies of Behad ki souls will be awakened subsequently. Finally, soul will establish itself in its original seed state, full of divine light form. Only then the soul connects with its creator in an incorporeal form, and soul goes back to its creator. In seed state of soul, the soul and its creator identify each other, so only then soul can return to its creator. Causal body, great causal body or supreme great causal body, all are different layers on pure soul. So these body conceal the true power of divine light of soul. So even if any of the light body of a soul gets activated, still it cannot connect with its creator. So pure soul consciousness in corporeal seed state is mandatory for return of a soul to its creator. Only in this pure divine light form, soul becomes karmatit, bhavatit and gunatit. That means soul transcends all karmic bondages, emotional attachments and qualities of mind. This is a state of no mind. Mind creates all karmic accounts, emotional attachments and generates various desires, which are the root cause of creation or different bodies of soul. When soul goes back to its creator, then if the creator is very powerful, then the soul gets dissolved in the power of its creator, and soul becomes free from its existence, known as mukti. On the other hand, if the soul is sufficiently powerful, then the soul will exist with its creator in a seed state, which is supremely divine state of soul, known as Jivan Mukti. In case of Jivan Mukti, soul becomes supreme soul. Souls will undergo Mukti and Jivan Mukti depending on their power in near future during the process of transformation of creation. This is all about science of all types of bodies of a soul in short. Thank you so much. बेहद की परम परम महाशांति है, महाशांति है, महाशांति है।